reasons, and it's not about your pain. It only serves to get you back where you belong again. It's early in December and it's just beginning to snow. Well, I want you to come quickly, I don't want you to go. I'll be the one that sticks around.